What if I told you that changing your life doesn't require massive effort, but just 1% improvement each day? Imagine transforming your entire life, not by doing more, but by doing less, just a little better every single day. Sounds too simple, right? Well, that's the genius behind Atomic Habits by James Clear, a book that doesn't just promise change. It shows you how to rewire your life from the inside out. I remember when I first heard about this concept, I was skeptical. But then I started applying it, reading just one page of a book every day, and I was amazed at how much I could achieve with such small steps. If you've ever felt stuck, burnt out, or like your goals are just out of reach, this might be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. So what's Atomic Habits really about? In a nutshell, it's not about setting goals, but building systems. It's about mastering the small choices you make every day, the ones that seem too tiny to matter, but shape your entire future. Atomic habits are small, incremental changes that, when compounded over time, lead to remarkable results. If you're into personal development, productivity, or just want to level up your habits, stick around. Let's break down 4 key lessons from the book and how you can apply them starting today. The first big idea is the power of 1% improvement. Clear uses the story of the British cycling team to show how tiny tweaks, like optimizing sleep, using heated shorts, even painting the truck interior white to spot dust, led to a massive transformation. They went from mediocre to Olympic champions in just a few years. Why it matters to you. If you improved just 1% each day, you'd be 37 times better in a year. Start small. Read 1 page a day, take a 5-minute walk, save $1. Over time, these habits compound like interest. Clear's second lesson: forget about goals, focus on systems. Winners and losers often have the same goals. What sets them apart is the process. Goals are the results, systems are what get you there. If you keep your room clean every day, you don't need to set a goal to clean your room. You're already doing it. Action tip: instead of saying I want to lose 10 pounds, create a system. Walk 30 minutes every morning and prep healthy meals every Sunday. Here's where things get deep. Change who you believe you are. Clear teaches that the most effective way to change your habits is to focus on identity. Don't say, I want to run a marathon. Say, I am a runner. Your habits reinforce your identity, and your identity shapes your habits. Example: if you want to quit smoking, don't say, I'm trying to quit. Say, I'm not a smoker. This mental shift is powerful. It turns habits into reflections of who you are. To make or break habits, Clear offers a 4-step framework. 1. Make it obvious. Want to eat healthier? Put fruits on the counter. 2. Make it attractive. Bundle a habit you need with one you enjoy. 3. Make it easy. Reduce friction. Lay out your gym clothes the night before. 4. Make it satisfying. Celebrate small wins. That good feeling helps habits stick. This method turns habit building into a simple, repeatable system you can actually. So, to recap, we've learned about the power of 1% improvements, focusing on systems over goals, building identity-based habits, and using the 4 laws of behavior change. The core message of Atomic Habits: massive success doesn't come from massive actions. It comes from small, consistent steps that align with who you want to become. Whether you want to get fit, learn a new skill, or build better relationships, remember that it's the small, daily habits that will get you there. Want to change your life? Start by changing your habits, and let those tiny wins snowball into something amazing. If you found this summary helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more bite-sized wisdom from the world's best books. Let's make this a community challenge. Comment below with one small habit you're committing to start today, and I'll feature a few in my next video to share your progress. Let's support each other on this journey. Until next time, stay curious, stay consistent, and keep growing.